name's Brian Baril. I work with Red Thread Spaces. We're based out of Boston, Massachusetts. We've been in business since 1986. We're largely a Steelcase furniture dealer, but we have an AV department that I work for. I've been there since the beginning, 24 years ago. So we've been using D-Tools SI, I don't know exactly how long, but it's been probably at least 15 years, and I've been there for 24 years, maybe even longer than that. We started using it because when we first built the business, and it was largely from the ground up, we were using spreadsheets and using spreadsheets to manage our product catalogs, to put together proposals for our customers, and obviously using spreadsheets is wrought with errors and calculation errors. And when we misbid a deal by $100,000 because of a formula error, we decided we had to do something different. And so we did a pretty exhaustive analysis, tried a lot of different demos and looking at different companies and software platforms, and we landed on D-Tools. It was the clear front runner, and we've been satisfied with it ever since, and we've adapted along the years as different pieces of the software have evolved. My favorite feature of D-Tools SI, it's hard to narrow down just one because there's so many, but I think it's the catalog, maintenance of the catalog, and all the vendor partners that interact with it. So we don't have to go look for cut sheets. We don't have to go look for how the inputs and outputs plug into everything, how everything interacts. It's all largely there. And if there isn't a direct partnership with a manufacturer, there's plenty of secondary connections from the dealer community that adds to it as well. So it's really a one-stop shop for finding all of our product information, and then even investigating other products maybe we wouldn't consider, manufacturers we consider, all available at our fingertips. It's a very dynamic tool. Yeah, so D-Tools helps us close deals all the time because it's very quick to turn around proposals and manage revisions. But the one example I can think that really comes to my mind is recently we did a large construction project, lots of change orders, and we were concerned about managing all those change orders just in general because there was a lot of internal, external change orders, and we hadn't really used the change order module in D-Tools until more recently, the past couple of years. And so this really stretched it to the limits, and it worked flawlessly. So when the general contractor would ask us for an update on our change order or a change order log, we just simply exported out of D-Tools, had all the notes, was very accurate, and we could easily run reports to show them which ones were accepted, which ones we may have processed without them getting us the paperwork, and those that were still pending. And it helped us get those contracts updated sooner, get us billing faster, and it absolutely improved the margin on the projects. Big supporter of D-Tools. What we really like about it is how flexible the software is, how customizable it is between setting up your catalogs, between how do you manage your labor, all the interactions with the vendors, plus even just the different customer proposals, an unlimited amount of different tools to manage the data, to manage proposals. But what is really interesting is the open APIs. So now we have an on-staff programmer, software developer, who's been tapping into the D-Tools and extracting valuable information that we're using for outside dashboarding to plug into our ERP system, which is now, we're a large furniture dealer, but our AV department uses the D-Tools. Well, now furniture is actually looking at exploring, maybe they could leverage some of the D-Tools capability in the furniture business as well because of the open API and the integration we're doing with it. So, very cool.